Here's Caleb after a hard day at the pool. Caleb, say hi.
Your cookie. Your cookies?
He's practicing to go to church.
You want a cookie? Caleb!
I hope it's not too bumpy for you guys. I'm laughing while I'm doing this.
Come, sweetie, let's go night-night. Let's go night-night. Night-night. Put the cookie away. You want your cookie? Here. Okay, let's go night-night.